What's up, guys? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you on February 28th, 2022. Excuse my voice, but I promise it will get better as we go along. Now, if this is your first time to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share with everyone you know who's an executive assistant or who wants to up their game and become an executive assistant. There are many remote assistants around who want to get to the executive level. Now, this lead and this channel is about making money online, and that's why I encourage you to subscribe, like, share, comment, and all that jazz. Okay? Now, this lead is about working from home as an executive assistant for a company called Wealthsimple. It is a remote position, meaning you don't work in office. However, they are looking for someone from the US, Canada region. At the time of this recording, 9:23 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, again on February 28th. You will realize that this was posted 29 minutes ago. I actually lost my train of thought just now. But yeah, it was posted 29 minutes ago at 9:23 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on February 28th, 2022. Okay? Now, they're looking for someone in the Toronto region or remotely. Okay? You'll be working with business teams and be specifically dealing with people operations, and it's a permanent full-time position. So if you are a freelancer on Fiverr, you can do this as your full-time thing, and then whatever gigs come up on Fiverr, you can do those part-time if you want to. Right? Now, Wealthsimple is on a mission to help everyone achieve financial freedom, and you can actually find out other ways of financial freedom or other ways to create financial freedom, right? By checking the links in description. Description. Below. Okay? So check the links in the description below for several ways that you can do this and also do this passively. Okay? So you can actually start businesses online that work while you're sleeping and help you generate the income you want so that you can live the life you want. Okay? All right. Now, no matter who they are or how much they have, you can create financial freedom, and that's the mission for Wealthsimple. Using smart technology, Wealthsimple takes financial services that are often confusing, opaque, and expensive and makes them simple, transparent, and low cost. We're the company behind some of Canada's leading digital financial products and are growing faster than ever. Our team is reimagining what it means to manage your money. Smart, high-performing team members will challenge you to learn and grow every day. We value great work and great ideas, not ego. We're looking for talented people who love a fast-paced environment and want to ship often and make an impact with groundbreaking ideas. Read our culture manual and learn more about how we work. Now, in this role, you will have the opportunity to manage day-to-day calendars and scheduling for our executive team. So you won't be the executive assistant for a single person, but for the executive team, and coordinate internal and external meetings. For example, board meetings, team meetings, all hands meetings, offsites, one-on-ones, partner meetings, etc. You'll be a partner to our leadership team and maintain a high-level understanding of priorities across all organizations. Proactively manage complex calendars based on communicated priorities. Work collaboratively with a cross-functional team of executive assistants to help move the business forward. You'll manage Wealthsimple's business calendar, planning board, schedules, Planning board schedules a year in advance. Troubleshoot and handle daily needs that allow executives to focus their efforts on scaling the business. Assist with documentation that may be needed in conjunction with meetings. Book travel arrangements, taking into account travel visas, costs, and preferred schedules. Effectively interface with employees across the company and external partners. Get involved in special initiatives and projects. Perform personal assistance duties only as required. Okay? An emphasis on only as required because you're an EA for the team. Okay? Now they're looking for someone who has significant experience in executive administration with high attention to detail, organization, and process. Ideally in a fast-paced and growing tech company. So if you've had experience being the assistant, the executive assistant to a fast-paced startup company or anything of the sort, apply. Okay? They want someone with the ability to prioritize, multitask, and offer suggestions and improvements to process. Experience with the setting up and management of virtual meetings and tools. Strong collaboration and relationship management skills. You have the ability to build a personal network through the company and with external partners as needed. Strong oral and written communication. You have the ability to communicate clearly and effectively with senior leaders and external partners. Experience with tools such as Slack, Zoom, Google Calendar, Excel, PowerPoint, Google Docs, and or Quip. The flexibility to respond to changing priorities and needs with strong follow-through, and the ability to handle confidential material with the utmost discretion. And of course, in situations like this, discretion, keeping your mouth shut, not blabbing about your executive's business is paramount. Paramount. Okay? Paramount. They don't want people talking about their financials, how they operate, leaking information all over the place. No. Keep it personal. Keep it private. And if you're someone who tends to, you watch those movies from the 90s or 80s and so on, where all the assistants know each other and they always call each other on the phone and just chat about stuff that happens. Don't do that. That's one of the easiest ways to get fired. So, if you think this is up your alley, hit the apply button. Apply for a job right here. So the link will be in the description below where it says about the lead. Take a look at the other links as you're scrolling in the description. But when it says about the lead, you'll see a brief description. You will see a link after the description leading you to this page. When you get to this page, you can click the apply for job button and apply. Now, what was I going to say? I lost it. But guys, thanks so much for watching. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you for clicking on the thumbnail and continue to be safe, guys. There's a lot of stuff happening around the world with Ukraine and Russia. The COVID-19 virus still hasn't completely left yet. So be safe. Anyone who says money is not important, that's not true. If money wasn't important, then they wouldn't have gone to war. People want resources. They want access to resources. They want the ability to do as they wish, which is a form of power. And that is why I encourage people to make money, because it allows you to do what you want to do. Not in any bad way, but if you want to live in a cabin, you have the resources to build your cabin, the finances, the time, because you're making money online and making it passively, or you're making a substantial amount where you can be rest assured. When the pandemic hit, a lot of people lost their jobs, And I think that was because they were in a sense of security. They were working that job for 10 years, 5 years, 4 years. There was no virus in sight. There was nothing in sight to knock them off their game. And then poof, this virus came. And all of a sudden people were losing their jobs and they were freaking out. In the midst of all that, there were people raking in so much money because they built systems that made money even while they were sleeping. In spite of external factors, there were things that people still needed. In fact, there were many people whose revenue went up because of the pandemic. You can be one of those people by doing your business online. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will help you. I will do my best to help you to be in a position where you can put your life in your own hands, not in the hands of your employer. Unless your employer is yourself, clearly. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell, like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.